Sanjay, can we go out for a walk? We've been sitting indoors the whole day.
Simran, it's so warm, humid and dusty outside, yeah? We have our AC running. It's nice and cool and it's pollution free.
Pollution free? We have not even got our AC service this year.
Nobody's got it done. People are scared of the widespread of the corona. They're not allowing outside people to enter their houses for maintenance.
Of course, I understand, Sanjay, but a dirty filter can harbor bacteria, virus, pollens, and a variety of microorganisms right into our room.
You're right, Simran. Let's clean the filters ourselves.
Can we do that?
Of course we can.
Really? Then let's do it, yeah?
Okay, let's do it.
Welcome to our channel, Mango Do It. I'm Simran.
And I'm Sanjay. Today we're going to tell you how easy it is to clean the filters of your air conditioners yourselves.
After which, we shall tell you about 5 lesser known facts about air conditioners.
So stay with us. Every 2 to 4 weeks, one must clean the AC filters. Usually, in a split unit, the filter is in the overhead indoor unit. Switch off the mains, open the cover of the blower, and pull out the filter. In case of the window AC, the filter is usually in the front grille under the cover. Take out the filters, wash it in soapy water to kill the germs and disinfect it. Then wash it with running water. Let the filters dry completely before reinstalling it.
Fact 1. Air conditioners not only provide us with a cool and fresh environment, but they also protect us from several health threats, especially heat strokes. It is recommended that people suffering from heart diseases, diabetes, and immune disorders must prevent themselves from heat strokes, as their body is not strong enough to keep itself cool in very hot and humid conditions. Children and the elderly are also less tolerant to extreme heat and should avoid exposure to it. Air conditioning is the best way to prevent and reduce heat-related problems.
Fact 2. ACs dry up our eyes, our skin and dehydrate us. So we must consume a lot of fluids to keep ourselves hydrated if we are sitting in an AC room. We must also use water-based lotions to add moisture to the skin. Dry skin leads to wrinkles and hastens the aging process.
Fact 3. Most of us start sneezing as soon as we step out from an air-conditioned environment. Staying long hours in an air-conditioned environment dries up the mucus in our nasal cavity. We all know that mucus prevents germs and dust from entering into our body. An air-conditioned environment is free from dust or any allergens. But as soon as we step out into the heat, the microbes and the dust enter our nasal cavity and in the absence of mucus, irritate the lining and we start sneezing. In fact, when you know that you have to step out in the heat, make sure you switch off your ACs well in advance to equalize the outside and inside temperature.
Fact 4. The same applies to cars too. We must keep our temperature comfortable, not too cold, to avoid any exposure or allergic reaction when we step out in the heat. We must opt for fresh air rather than recirculating air in the settings of our air conditioning of the car. And when you turn on the air conditioner, face the vents of the AC away from your face. Roll down your windows, let the trapped dust and warm air escape the car. Once the inside temperature becomes comfortable, you can roll up your windows and your cabin becomes cooler much faster.
Fact 5. Air conditioners in large buildings such as hospitals, hotels, cinema halls, malls, especially those that use chilled water systems or cooling tower technology for cooling, pose even a more serious threat. These water reservoirs can harbor colonies of harmful bacteria. One such is the Legionella that can cause severe pneumonia. So it's important to clean these units regularly.
So friends, if you also haven't got your ACs serviced, switch off your ACs, and do go and clean those filters now. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.